let a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and b is equal to set 2 comma 3 comma 4, then which of the following is a function from a to b? So first of all, when we can say relation f from a to b is a function. A relation f from a to b is said to be a function under the two conditions. If the first one, like for every a belongs to a, means every element of a must have unique image. There exists b belongs to b such that f of a is equal to b. It should be unique. Means for every a belongs to a, there exists a unique b belongs to b such that f of a is equal to b. So this is the condition for a relation to become a function. So in the options here, the first option, so we can say that the set here 1 2 3, set a is given 1 2 3 and set b is given 2 3 4, domain and codomain. And the first one 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 3. So we can observe that first condition satisfied, each and every element of a is having images, but for one there are two images, means uniqueness failed, second condition failed. So we can say this is not a function. And coming to the next second option, a and b 1 2 3 and 2 3 4, and we can observe that 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 4 the mappings, but there is no image for 3. So first condition, for every a belongs to a there should have a unique image, but here in the second example, second option, we can say that b is not having any image, so it is also not a function. And coming to the third option, a and b, here 1 2 3 and 2 3 and 4, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. And here we can observe that each and every element of a is having unique images, and that too, 1 is having only one image, 2 is also having only one image, 3 is also having only one image, so they are unique. So we can say this option C can become a function. And let us check also option D. So in option D we are having a b 1 2 3 2 3 4. So we had 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 4. So first condition satisfied, for every element a belongs to a there is images, but here for 3 we having 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 4. 3 is having two images, so 1 is having only one image, 2 is also having only one image, but 3 is having two images. So second condition failed, so we can say this is not a function. So among the four options, only one option we can say, that is third option, is correct. And also we can observe very clearly that by looking at the symbols, like if this is a symbol comes, then it's not a function clearly. Even if there is a symbol like greater than, it's something like a and b, a is having one image, b is having one image, but here if I can take this, a is having two images. So less than symbol, this is a shape, whenever you can see in the graph diagrams, we can say very clearly that they are not functions. Like example first one, we can see here less than symbol, and here in the fourth example we can also see in the less than symbol, like. So we can say these two options are very clearly, they are not a function.